Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys step by step how to easily to make your SEO attributes on YouTube Studio. So if you are a YouTuber, if you are upload many videos like me, here how I create a SEO friendly on YouTube attribute like title, description, tags, and lastly the final prompt to creating the thumbnail. So first of all, you have to install these tools called GR Transcript, extracting YouTube transcript. So we need the transcript for this process. Thus, you must upload first your video into a draft on YouTube Studio. So after you recording, after you editing, make sure you upload it to your YouTube Studio, and then wait for a while, perhaps about 1 hour, an hour or 2 hours to make it processing to generate or to extract the transcripts. So okay, I will show you the step by step. For instance, I want to make this one, this video, the attribute of this video. So I click this pencil, okay, and then I watch or I click the YouTube link of the video, because this is the draft video. Only you can access this video on the front end. Okay, after you open this one, you can for me, I comfortable using Google Chrome and then make it like a split view. This is really helpful, really cool feature from Google Chrome. I don't know in Safari or Mozilla has this feature or not. And then after here on the right panel is my video on the front end on youtube.com, and on the left panel is my video from YouTube Studio. Okay, and then after don't forget to install the Chrome extension, and then here the Chrome extension, the GR with the red color on the right upper here, and then you just click on that one and then click this auto transcript. Okay, until it's shown things like this. Okay, this is the transcript or your original transcript. That's why once again you must upload first your videos into draft, and then let YouTube generate the transcript for you. Okay, once again GR transcript and then auto transcript, and then here the option of to YouTube. Click this one, and then here this is the optional for you, mandatory custom prompt. If you, because these tools using AI to gist from your transcript. So if you have something in my mind, like something in your mind that mandatory has to shown somewhere in title or description or tags on or thumbnail, you can write anything here. So this will be the mandatory prompt for the AI. Okay, for me, on this video, I will show you leave it blank. So you have to try by yourself after several times using these tools. You can manage familiar with this feature. Okay, and then click continue and generate, and then after that you'll be redirected into the coffee. If you want to copy me, you can click tip or the creator of these tools. Actually, I'm creating this Chrome extension. Okay, just close if you done, and then wait. It's generating YouTube SEO. Wait for a while. Okay, now the Chrome extension gives you 5 options of title, so you can choose which one. This video is Indonesian language. Obviously, it will be the Indonesian as a title, but if you are using English or any language, it's supposed to be. I mean, it must be using your own language. So, for instance, I will use this one. Just copy it, title for copy, and then paste on the left panel, and then copy the description, and then paste to the left panel. Very easy. Okay, and this description already include your chapters, so you no need to make your own chapters to ChatGPT or per se. These tools, this extension will provide you handsomely. Okay, and then after that, copy the tags. Okay, go to tags here, paste it, and then make sure, because the text itself a maximum 500 characters, so you can remove on the last until it 500. Okay, now already below 500 become gray. And then this is the thumbnail prompt. For me, I use ChatGPT, so I will go to ChatGPT, and then I copy the prompt, okay, and then paste the prompt. Wait, first of all, you click this create image, and then to make sure it will generate the YouTube thumbnail, you just write YouTube thumbnail 16 by 9, and then paste the prompt from the tools, and then attach your image. Because I'm doing my personal branding, so I can attach. So I usually attach my own image, my own photo. So like this one. Okay, and for this kind of task, it's really easy for ChatGPT. You don't need to use high. You can use the just instant. Okay, because the prompt is already firm. It's really easy task for ChatGPT. You don't need to the ChatGPT no need to think a lot about this kind of task. And then click send the prompt, and then wait for I think 30 seconds, and then go back again. Make sure you already paste the attributes from the YouTube from the GR transcript, and then as usual make the monetization on, and then next, and then none of the above, submit rating. Next, next, next. Okay, and then one more tip for me. I usually upload in the same time every single day. So I upload every 7:30 p.m. It depends on your data. For me, I'm from Indonesia, and people watching YouTube um on 7:30 p.m. And for you, I don't know. It depends on what your country, your audience countries, the significance. Okay. And then I think already set, and I will go back to the ChatGPT. Wait for I think 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, blah, blah, blah. It's quite long, I think, because sometimes I never record it, so I never count how long ChatGPT will take to generate one YouTube thumbnail. And then just wait. And then another feature from the GR transcript, you can click the to blogger. You can convert your transcript into blogger. It's very useful for you if you want to make your persona or your articles indexed by AI like Gemini, ChatGPT, or so. So now, oh, okay, why it's too long? Because it generates two options, right and the left. For me, both are good, but on the right here, the AI slot with two hands, two left hands, it's not good. So I will choose this one, and then I will download the image, and then go back to my separate views, and then I just upload the recently downloaded image. So that's it. That's how I create as an SEO SEO friendly attributes on YouTube Studio. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to install the GR transcript. I will put the link on description below. Bye bye.